It's actually a really cool move. So first, we did 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. 1 and 2. And then that was pretty cool. But the cool kids' way to do it, a little bit different. Same pattern. 3 and 4, 5, 6. 1 and 2. 3 and 4, 5, 6, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Thank you guys very much. Don't forget we got a waltz workshop coming up May 11th. That's the second Saturday of May, 5 o'clock to 7 o'clock. My good friend Greg Thrash will be here. It'll be lots of fun. That's waltz workshop May 11th, 5 o'clock to 7 o'clock. Thank you, Donna. Not Gail, Donna, thank you, and it's all yours, Robert. Have a great